100. 100. Yes, I made it to 100 subscribers. Thank you very much, everyone. I'm just gonna start like that. I couldn't have done it without you guys. It's all because of you. All of you subscribed, all of you are helping me grow. So thank you very much, and I hope I can do the same for you and help you out with my reviews and my videos to give you the best knowledge that I can give and my personal thoughts on product reviews, tech related things, and just general tech related items regarding saving money and so on. But thank you very much. And I know what you might think. You're probably thinking, why are you thanking us for subscribing? That it's all me? It's not me. It's all you guys right there. I'm just the creator who makes the videos, but a video is nothing without the viewers. So you, the viewers, you, the subscribers, you, the followers who are following my journey, I can't be more appreciative for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos and commenting and everything that you do to make my channel grow. So once again, thank you very much, guys. Thank you for getting me to 100 followers. Woot woot, or 100 plus followers right now. I think we're 120-ish, about there. So thank you. Woot 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 woot. Yep, I am that old that I'm using that phrase. I truly didn't believe that I would be here right now, only just a couple of months of starting my channel. And I thought, since you guys have been following me along and you've been liking all the videos I've been posting, I thought about giving you a little bit about me, why I started the channel, and just a little personal things about me, just so we can get to know each other, and if you're curious. So here's a few things about me that you might not know. I'm an engineer by trade, so I have an engineering degree. So on top of doing YouTube, I'm also an engineer. I've played sports all my life, and lately have been a runner for the past 12, 13 years of my life, I think. Gotta make that count. Let me double check on that. I'll get back to you. But that's just a little about me, and that's just my passion. I've also always loved talking other people's ear off about tech, and I thought, why not do it for a cause and then do it for a bigger audience? So thank you for being the bigger audience, where I can talk about tech, give you the possibility of asking me questions for help, and just helping you get better products. So that's what I'm here for. And once again, thank you guys for helping me get here. I can't be more thankful for that. And stay tuned for more, because there's more videos coming soon, especially in a few days. So stay tuned and have a great day, guys. Thank you.